Hey you! Today I am not in a mood to dress up or do a formal video because the weather is very dull. It's going to rain super soon. It's all cloudy, so that's why I was just sitting in my balcony. I was working and I just thought of making this quick video. I was planning it to do in other way, but yes, this is a kind of impromptu video. So in this video I'm going to talk about a DIY product. So this is a product from a brand called Puremie. If you have not watched a video where I had unboxed this box from Puremie which I had bought, so if not, I'm gonna leave that link here. So I might get, because of this curtain, there might be some kind of distraction, and also you can hear some noise today because I'm in my balcony, as I said. So some kids are playing in the field nearby, so you might hear their sound. Coming back to the video, so because of the lockdown, not only me, I'm sure even you are spending more on skincare rather than on makeup, because of course we don't have anywhere to go after dolling up or dressed up. So talking about skincare, I'm more into natural, chemical free and DIY stuffs these days. So Puremie is one of those brands which I came across on Instagram, and they have these raw DIY material which you can use for your skincare or hair care recipes. So one of those products is this Hibiscus gel. So let me tell you, this is not a sponsored or it's not an ad. So I have bought this with my hard-earned money. So this is going to be a very quick review. So let's get into the business. First and foremost, price. So price of this one is 350 rupees for 100 grams. This comes in this glass jar. As you can see, this is a transparent one. This makes it easier to keep an eye on the product left inside of the package, and all the details of the product has been mentioned over this sticker. This is a screw lid and it's quite tight, and the glass is also quite sturdy. So yes, this is travel friendly. Shelf life 6 months. Ingredient list looks quite good. You can see couple of chemicals in here listed. So xanthan gum and potassium sorbate. So I had googled about these two, and seems like these two are usually used in skincare products. So they are not at all harmful for your skin or hair. So that is something I have confirmed. So this gel can be used on your hair as well as for your skin. So once you open this jar, the smell is something that captures your senses. So it is a kind of aqua based note. It's very fresh. It's not at all overpowering. The gel quality is really nice. It seems like flames in a glass bottle. It literally looks like that. And the thing I liked about this gel is it's not at all sticky or greasy. So the application is quite really mess free or hassle free. Talking about my experience, as I said, the application is quite easy. Washing it off was very easy. It was not at all sticky or greasy. It does not really require multiple times of washing your hair. One time wash is more than enough to just get it off your hair. The thing I love the most about is it made my hair quite soft and silky. My scalp is quite oily, so I need to wash my hair at least twice a week, otherwise it becomes all oily and chip. But after using this particular gel, somehow I can say the scalp oiliness has been reduced, so I can go straight 1 week without washing my hair. So that is something I really like. If you have dandruff issue, it is going to cure that, because in between I had few dandruff, I had that issue, but it somehow it has managed to cure that as well. As I said, it can be used on skin as well, so it's not at all sticky or greasy. Let me just show you. So this is how it is. See, this is not greasy or something, and if applied on skin, it's quite light and quite moisturizing. So that's why I can use it on my skin as well. But still, um, if you are trying out this gel or any gel for example, so before applying it on your face, do give it a patch test, because even if it is natural, not everyone is good with natural stuff. Some people have allergies for natural stuff as well, so that's why I prefer a patch test before using it on your face. So I already told you the pros, so this is a big thumbs up for me. And talking about a con, only one con I can say, that is packing. Even though it is a glass packing, recyclable, like eco-friendly and all that, only thing is hygiene purpose, it's not really served. When it comes to tub packing, you have to dip your finger and you have to take that product out. So every time you need to make sure your fingers are clean, because especially while you are applying this gel onto your scalp, every time dipping your fingers into the stuff, it's, I don't know, I don't feel it hygienic enough, because we do have impurities on our scalp and ultimately we are transferring that into the jar. So that is something I didn't like. So that is the only con I can think about. So yes, this is the quick review of this particular gel. They have 4 more variants in this. They have rose gel, aloe vera gel, they have turmeric one and cucumber one, I guess. So they have 5 different variants of gels. I haven't tried those things. I have tried their aloe vera and this one, and I have tried their certain face packs as well. So if you are interested to know how those things work, please do let me know in the comment section below, so that I can make quick review of those products as well for you. So I'll see you in my next video, and also please do comment on my glass or a chashmish look. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.